winter weather advisory is set to go into effect in less than an hour, and you can expect to see some snow on the ground when you wake up in the morning. If you were in southern Maryland today, like these drivers, you already got a preview of the snowfall that we'll start to see overnight. And in Hurlock, Maryland, they sent us this photo from Kimberly. Hurlock is near Cambridge, and you can see they've already received a decent coating of snow there. WJZ is tracking the system. George Solis is live with how our area is preparing for the first snowfall of the season. But we begin with Bob Turk, who has a look at the amount of snow we can expect and when. Bob.
All right, look at the temperatures still above freezing around it with not a drop of any precipitation in Baltimore now. South of us, that's where it's snowing. That's where it's colder. 32, Cambridge, Ocean City, and Patuxent. Some spots that are already 2, 3, 4 inches of snow. Here it comes. Now, there's a big batch developing across southwest Virginia. That is making a beeline for the Baltimore region. Right now, it's still pretty, the precip showing on radar, but there's nothing falling because it's so dry. Basically, southeast of the D.C. area, eastern shore, right through that region, that's where they're seeing the moderate, even some pockets of heavy snow. Along the coast, it's pretty much all rain. Now, as we mentioned, we do have a winter weather advisory going into effect at midnight, and a winter storm warning already in effect for southern areas and the eastern shore, all of Delaware, as you can see, and that's through tomorrow afternoon. So what do we expect now? We did make some changes to the west of the city, generally 2 to 4 inches, 4 to 6. However, it's possible some spots in Delaware, the lower portions of maybe St. Mary's County, some spots could get 6 to 7 or even 8 inches of snow. There could be a period in the morning where the snow comes down heavy enough to give us a quick 1 or 2 inches in an hour or two in some locations. Further west, about 1 inch or 2, and a lot less than that in far western Maryland. Basically little or nothing west of the Hagerstown area. We'll come back and take a look at our complete forecast for the weekend. It's going to stay cold in just a few minutes. Vic.
Okay, thank you, Bob. Right now, crews across Maryland are mobilizing as this wintry weather moves in. WJZ is live. George Solis with a closer look at all the preparations taking place even as we speak. George.
Good evening, Vic. Well, as you just heard Bob mention, we're just a few hours away from where we can expect those first snowflakes to fall here in the Baltimore region. Now, across the state, crews gearing up for whatever Mother Nature decides to bring our way. For anyone in the Northeast wishing for a winter wonderland, consider it a wish granted. Friday, a number of southern states pounded with snow. That storm system now making its way towards Maryland, including the metro area.
I'm not going to come out the house.
First snow, we're going to see how it go.
The State Highway Administration now keeping a watchful eye on the roads. A number of crews prepared to work well into the overnight hours as the system draws near.
By midnight tonight, we're going to have essentially a statewide crew in place, and then some folks are coming in around dinner time tonight.
Officials noting they have more than 700 snowplow operators at their disposal, hundreds of dump trucks, and more than 2,000 contractors ready to go. In Baltimore, nearly 18,000 tons of salt will be ready to be deployed by crews as necessary.
We prepared back in July, so we're prepared, we're ready, this is what we do.
The concern, as always, freezing overpasses and bridges. Much of the same concerns over in Baltimore County, where crews will be set up at 11 locations throughout the area.
Once it starts snowing, they will start salting, and then if need be, they will start plowing after that.
Plenty of people also preparing for this first snowfall, some looking forward to it more than others.
Oh, absolutely. I'm a winter guy. I like it when the mosquitoes are all dead.
I'm a warm type of guy.
How do you prepare for something like this? Just at home or, when you're out on the streets?
Stay home, cuddle with the family.
Now, patience is being stressed, especially if you have to be out on the roads. Distance also a must, especially when it comes to snow plows, and of course, a little bit of common sense. Live in Baltimore tonight, George Solis reporting for WJZ.
Okay, George, thank you. And snow has already covered much of the South, causing major headaches for drivers. Some states are reporting over 5 inches of snow, with heavy snow expected to continue. This is one of the largest snowfalls in years. Power outages have also been reported. Remember to download WJZ's weather app to keep track of our changing weather. Get hourly, daily, and extended forecasts, plus severe weather warnings. Just search WJZ Weather and get our app.